Hey guys, welcome back to 天天 Chinese. 欢迎来到天天中文。So, did you review what we learned last time? 上节课学的内容复习了吗 ？So, do you know how to talk about yourself right now? 你知道怎么样去做自我介绍了吗 ？If you cannot, so go check my previous lessons. 记得去看我前面的视频。Okay, so in today's lesson 3, 在今天的第3课中 ，we are going to learn an important sentence. 我们要学一个重要的句子 to say I like something or I dislike something 来表达你喜欢什么和不喜欢什么。Okay, so if you are ready, let's get started. 好，我们来开始第3课的学习。Let's begin our class 3. 这一课里我们会聊怎么样去表达喜欢 like 和不喜欢讨厌 dislike。 OK， 好，第一个句子 first sentence I like or I love， 我们可以直接说我喜欢什么什么东西 I like something 或者是我爱I love， 爱是 love 的意思。 OK，for example， 举个例子，我喜欢苹果，我喜欢苹果 I like apple， 苹果是 apple 的意思。那我也可以说我喜欢吃苹果，我喜欢吃苹果 I like eating apple。 OK， 所以这个地方我喜欢后面可以加名词 It can add a noun and also it can add a verb 吃苹果。 OK， 好，比如说 next one， 第二句 I don't like， 我不喜欢。 OK， 所以否定就是我不喜欢 I don't like or I dislike something。 我不喜欢苹果，我不喜欢苹果 I don't like apple， 或者是我不喜欢吃苹果 I don't like eating apple。 OK， eating apple。 第3句 Number 3 I hate 就是讨厌的意思，我讨厌。 OK， 我讨厌，我可以说 I hate apples， 我讨厌苹果 I hate eating apples， 我讨厌吃苹果。 OK， 这两种都可以。 Can add a noun 加名词， Can also add a verb 加动词。好，第4句 I somewhat or I really like or I like something very much， 我们用中文是我十分我十分喜欢 or 我很喜欢 or 我非常喜欢。 OK， so here 十分很 and 非常这3种都可以表示 something very much very very or really。 OK， 好，我十分喜欢苹果，我很喜欢苹果，我非常喜欢苹果。 OK， 好的，来表示你喜欢的程度How much do you like？ I really like， 非常喜欢。好，接下来一个问句 The question Don't you like it？ 你喜欢这个吗？你喜欢这个吗？你喜欢这个吗？ OK， so here 吗 and add a question mark 加上一个问号，就是 to ask a question。 你喜欢这个吗？ Do you like this？ 你喜欢那个吗？ Do you like that？ 你喜欢那个吗？ OK， 你喜欢那个吗？How do we answer？ Yes, I like。 是的，我喜欢这个。 OK， or I really love it。 我非常喜欢，非常喜欢。 OK， 非常喜欢来表示 like something very much， 表示程度。好， if I say I don't like， 不，我不喜欢这个我不喜欢这个，我讨厌 I hate this， 我讨厌这个。 OK， I hate this。 OK， 好，接下来一个 I would like我想要我想要 I would like an apple， 我想要一个苹果。So here the measure word for apple 是一个量词。我想要一个苹果，因为 because 我喜欢吃苹果 because I like eating apple. OK， 我想要一个苹果，因为我喜欢吃苹果。OK， 好 ，next one. I'd like this one or I'd like that one. 我喜欢这个这个 this this one. OK， 我喜欢那个that one. OK， 好，我喜欢这个，我喜欢那个。So how about the negative sentence? I don't like this. I don't like that. 我不喜欢这个，我不喜欢那个。Okay, so here for the negative, 不喜欢。Okay, next one. My favorite is favorite 是最喜欢我最喜欢。My favorite is apple. 我最喜欢苹果，我最喜欢苹果。Favorite 是 something the most 最喜欢。Next one, I prefer. Okay, I prefer 我更喜欢我更喜欢。So here normally it's like I give you two choice. 我给你两种选择 A and B. So I choose one of them. 我更喜欢 A 我更喜欢 A. For example, 苹果和香蕉Apple and banana. 苹果和香蕉，我更喜欢苹果。Okay, I prefer apple. Okay, apple and banana. I prefer apple. 我更喜欢苹果。Okay, next one. It's delicious. It's delicious. Delicious means 好吃很美味，很好吃，很好吃。It's very delicious. Very delicious. 很好吃。Okay, next one. What would you like to do? 你想做什么 Okay, what would you like to do? Okay, so how do we answer? 我们怎么样去回答呢比如说 I would like to eat apple. 我想吃苹果我想吃苹果 I'd like to eat an apple. 我想吃苹果。好 next one. I don't mind. 我无所谓我不介意我不介意 I don't mind. 这两种表达都是一个意思。I'm okay. I'm totally fine with it. I'm fine. 我无所谓，我不介意。Okay, so let's see some more example. First one. What do you do? To ask about what you do or what's your job, we say 你做什么？你做什么的？What do you do? 你是做什么的？你的工作你的工作是什么 ？OK， 你的工作是什么 ？What do you do? 你的工作是什么？好，这个时候你怎么回答 ？How do you answer? You can say 我是加上你的职业 ，your job 你的职业。For example, we say 我是老师 ，I'm a teacher， 老师我是老师。You can also say I'm an engineer， 我是工程师。engineer 我是工程师。So here use sentence structure 我是 plus your job. Okay, next one. 你放假了吗？你放假放假放假 means on vacation on vacation 你放假了吗vacation 好，比如说我没有放假，我在工作工作 means work上班上班 means work OK 我在读书读书上学means go to school go to school at school 好，这个地方注意一下这个。最后一个 Do you like or do you want 你想要什么什么吗 Do you want or do you like 你想要什么吗 For example 你想吃苹果吗 Do you want to eat apple 你想回家吗Do you want to go home go home 回家OK, so how do we answer? 我们怎么回答是的我想吃苹果 I want to eat apple or I don't want to eat apple 我不想吃苹果 OK, so this is how you answer 这个是你的回答 For this one 你想回家吗是的我想回家 Yes, I want to go home 不我不想回家 I don't want to go home Okay, so when you answer the question you just repeat what the question asks 你只需要重复问句的回答就可以了 Okay, so I hope this sentence is useful for your daily communication 希望这些句子能够帮到你日常的交流 So pay attention to something you like 我喜欢 or you don't like 我不喜欢 Okay, so that's all for today's lesson 这就是我们今天课程的内容 Did you get it? 你都学会了吗 So can you make some sentence with I like or dislike? 你能用我喜欢和不喜欢来造句了吗 So remember to practice after the class 记得课后练习 and give me your feedback 告诉我你的反馈 Okay, so you can leave them on the comment section and I will check your homework 我来检查你的作业 So I will leave the study materials on my Patreon community. Go check over there and come and join. So I will see you guys next lesson. 下节课见 Bye.